Hello viewers, welcome. Today's recipe is brunch with a Desi twist. Rich, comforting, buttery and packed with flavor. Think perfectly cooked eggs and a silky sauce with just the right hint of spice. Chef Tarun, please tell me what we are making because I'm already hungry.
Hello Priya. Today we are making Desi Eggs Benedict, a fusion dish with avocado chaat mash, soft poached eggs and a spicy Tadka Hollandaise.
Ooh, sounds amazing.
Let's check out the ingredients.
Let's go.
We have Lurpak Soft, then we have grated potatoes, then we have fresh avocado, fresh eggs, we have got white vinegar, salt, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, then we have cumin powder, black pepper powder, red chilli powder, corn flour, hing, whole spices. We have got dried red chilies, then we have got some chaat masala, we have got black sesame seeds, and in the fresh we have got fresh curry leaves here, then we have cut lemons and then fresh coriander chopped. So to make avocado chaat mash, we are going to take a ripe avocado. This is the very important point. Just slice it like this, open it.
Do you love avocado?
I love it.
Me too.
This is for you, Priya. We need to smash it. I'm going to add some spices to it. We start with little bit of salt.
Okay.
Then we add just a small pinch of chaat masala.
Chaat masala and avocado, wonderful.
We are going to add some fresh lemon, half a lemon. This is the texture we are looking for it. So this is our avocado chaat mash is completely ready. Our next component is going to be potato rösti. Now we are replacing bread in Desi Egg Benedict. I'm going to give a twist which is going to be potato rösti, but in a more Indian spices.
So basically hash browns, but
yeah, in a more of a Desi way.
In a Desi way.
Yes.
Okay.
So I've got this one potato which is peeled and grated. I have washed them in the water twice and then drained all the water. This is a very important step. And then we are going to add into a bowl. Let's begin with our spices.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, again 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, a little bit of black pepper for the heat, just a pinch. Then we have corn flour. I'm putting like 2 teaspoons, but if I need to add it later, we will see as per the potatoes. This is done. Then we can also add some fresh coriander, handful of them, and that's it. So I'm just making it sure that all the spices get mixed properly and we have got an even flavor at all the sides of potato. So this is literally done. Let's keep it aside. So let's open our Lurpak Soft. We are going to
scoop it right out of the tub because it's so easy to take out and we get the right amount.
Yes, there it goes in the pan.
And sizzles. So now we're ready to put in our potato mixture.
Yes. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a ball.
Okay.
Squeeze out the water as much as possible. And then we are going to drop it here into the pan. So 4 minutes on each side. Now it's time to flip them.
Wow, it's turning out crispy and nicely brown. The color is just perfect.
Yes, and you know the best part is what you are smelling is the fresh potatoes getting cooked in Lurpak Soft.
Yeah.
So that creates a lot of difference here.
Yeah, yeah. You can, the fragrance itself is so rich and comfort.
So Priya, I think this is completely done. 4 minutes more or less on each side. Let's take it out. Perfect.
Wow. Looks great.
Yes. And
I can just have this like this right now.
We need to wait for all the components to be ready.
Okay.
Let's keep it aside.
All right.
Now we move to our next component, which is going to be Desi Tadka Hollandaise.
Wow. Okay, so Hollandaise sauce में भी देसी twist डाल दिया आपने.
Yes, so this is like a backbone of the dish. Without this component, the dish is very incomplete. We need to have some silky sauce like you mentioned in the beginning. So we are going to prepare that. So I'm going to take Lurpak Soft, around 2 tablespoons, and we are going to melt it to do it in the microwave. So this is completely melted. Now we are going to make a very quick and easy hollandaise.
Desi style.
Yes. I've got 2 egg yolks straight into the blender.
So only the yolks, not the whites.
No, only the egg yolks. So half a lemon. And we are going to whisk it first. This is done. We are going to start pouring our melted Lurpak Soft into the blender.
That's it. And now we can pour our sauce into the bowl.
Yes. Smooth, silky and creamy hollandaise.
Just the way we want it.
Yes, it's right here. So Priya, our hollandaise base is ready. But to give it a desi touch, we are going to make a tempering, which we are going to call it Desi Hollandaise.
Right. So हम देंगे इसे देसी तड़का.
So we'll take Lurpak Soft. Take 1 teaspoon into the pan. So our Lurpak Soft is ready. Let's start with mustard seeds.
Done.
Just like 1 teaspoon into the pan.
Okay, some chopped curry leaves.
Chopped curry leaves into the pan.
The smell is divine.
Yes, some hing, just a pinch. Dried red chilies. That's it, just 1 is enough.
Okay.
And a bit of turmeric, just a pinch. And we are going to add our tadka to the hollandaise. So this is your tadka hollandaise is ready.
Amazing. Can I just taste it? Not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna have patience.
Now we are going to work on soft poached eggs.
Okay.
So the water is hot and boiling. I'm gonna add vinegar, just a little bit of it. Eggs. Single egg into the bowl. So the best way to cook a poached egg is we need a whisk and keep a bowl with a whole egg. And you just drop the egg in the center.
Oh, wow.
And
I can see it.
let the magic happen.
Yeah, I can already see it happening.
Yes. So while the first one is almost there, let's put the another one. Drop in easy. And then both the eggs will be ready at the same time.
All right, our poached eggs are ready.
Yes.
Wow, they look good.
Yes. We can sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on top.
मुझे लगा आप चाट मसाला लगाने.
No, just the black pepper. And a bit of salt as well. So let's bring all the components together. Let's bring the final plate.
Okay, so here is my plate already.
Beautiful, thank you. Let's start assembling this. Desi Tadka Hollandaise. Let's add some fresh coriander to this.
Okay. Beautiful. Is that done?
No, we are looking for the final garnish, which is black sesame seeds. Just to have a nice crunch and a color to the dish.
Wow. This honestly looks restaurant worthy.
It is. I mean, it has a combination of light, buttery, and a silky sauce, and it makes a complete dish like a Desi Egg Benedict.
Perfect. Bon appetit.
Please.
Okay, I've taken in everything. Hits the right spot.
Thank you so much.
Well, guys, if you want to make brunch at home to feel extra special, this Desi Eggs Benedict is definitely one to try. Simple ingredients, bold flavors, and that rich buttery finish. It's amazing, I tell you. Join us for more delicious inspiration on Z Connect next week.
See you.